Maintaining your Tesla is very easy because Tesla don't need oil changes and spark plug displacement or transmission fuel is not there. That means you don't need to go many times to your service center. For example, if you go to your Tesla service center, then Tesla have given some information related to maintaining your Tesla vehicle. These are the only maintenance which require. So owning a Tesla make your life much easier. In brake service, regenerative braking helps improve the lifespan of brake pads and rotor. Here you can check good versus bad brake service, clean fluid versus bad or dirty fluid service. AC or air condition is big thing in your Tesla or hybrid or any type of natural vehicle. Therefore, some service recommended every 4 years for every model. You can check quality of tire rotation and alignment. Rotate tires every 10,000 km or if tread depth differences is 1.5 mm or greater. Cabin air filter. This is one of the most important filter found in any vehicle that prevents pollen, industrial dust and road dust. You are advised to repair cabin air filter every 2 to 3 years depending on your models.